How old were you when you realized that you have been boiling water the wrong way? I mean the normal water that you know. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to boil water, the perfect and the appropriate way to boil water. But I'll start with a question. If I ask you now, if you want to boil water, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? You tell me kettle, right? Okay, what if you don't have kettle? You certainly go for your pot, isn't it? Then what if you don't have a pot? You see that? You have actually been boiling water the wrong way without knowing. So work with me while I show you how to boil water the perfect way. Okay, so this is your kettle. This is your kettle. This is a manual kettle, normal one, and this is electric kettle. So some of you can use the electric kettle or the manual kettle. In a situation where you don't have kettle, you can as well use your pot, depending on the kind of pot and the size of water that you want to boil. Now, when you have gotten this thing in place, the next thing you need to do is to fetch your water. What did I say? You fetch your water. If you don't have sink, you can go to other places. This is what we call water, H2O. Okay? So you fetch your water. Now our water is being fetched. Remember, if you don't have kettle, you can use your pot. Now that you have fetched your water, the next thing, see, this is where you people make mistakes. After fetching water, some of you just rush. Now you consider, what am I going to use to heat up this water? After considering what you are going to use to heat up the water, you also consider, what am I going to use this water for? Most of you don't think about this. You see, that's why I say you're making a mistake in boiling water. So you can use stove, which almost that stove is going out of fashion now. Or you can use firewood. There are many ways. Or I have this thing with me here. I have a gas here, and this is my lighter. I can use it to boil my water. So now let's go into the process of boiling the water. Just give me a few minutes and the water will burn. Our light is on. You put your water. Because this thing is a fast boiler, the water is boiled already, and you have your hot water. That is the perfect way to boil water. You don't just bring kettle and put it on the fire. You put fire before you put the kettle. That is the right way. Some of you, they put kettle before you put